So I have a 12th phone, only one turns on. I'm gonna charge a few of them and see if I can see any reaction from the phone. I'm actually very curious about this iPhone first. If I can make this one just turn on, even with the back, people might still buy it. Let's see if anything happens. Huh, that's not a good sign. Will the screen turn on? Nope. This one might be dead. I'm gonna try something. I purchased this little thing here so we know how many watts it's pulling. This is a simple 30 watts charger, and let's see if anything happens with this. If it charges, it's getting some power. Oh, it's getting kind of a lot of power, so it is charging. So even in bad conditions, some places might still buy this. Let me check on Go Resell, which is a Canadian website. So even for a 14, I think this is a 14 plus or 13 plus. Looking for a 14 plus, defective, no longer working. I could get easily like a 50 bucks. And if it's just at a fair condition, if I repair it, 300 bucks. I could easily fix it with a case and get like 200 bucks from it. So I might do that. At the worst case scenario, I get 50. Alright, well, we have the lightning cable. Let's see what happens with these. It is going up. Oh, it's charging. So I'll leave some time to charge for all of these because we'll be here all day. So I'll be back in about 15 minutes when most of these are charged. Wait. Why did this one not turn on? Hold up. Okay. Hold the phone a minute. I was charging all my other devices, but I realized that this one is only at 75%, it's only 9% or something. These two are charging, which is a good sign. But this one is just straight up opening. Oh, it seems to be locked. Okay, this one is locked. But still, let's see. If my research is correct, this is an A14 from Samsung. And I can get an easy 60 bucks for it. That's easy. Easy win. Even if it's locked, I can unlock it, it's fine. Easy win. So we're back with some good and some bad news. I'm gonna plug most of them. So most of them charge up. So that's good news. As you can see, this one just works. I'm worried though that it might be locked. As you can see, most of them are able to turn on. The only one I can't seem to turn on is the Pixel phone. So let's see if anything happens when I plug it in. Okay, it is charging. That's very good news. It's charging widely though. And now it's not charging anymore. So tried to charge. Huh. Let's keep this one charging a little bit. I forgot about this one. Can this one turn on? This one does not turn on either. Let's see what happens when I plug it in. Do we have anything? Nope, nothing at all. So this one is just dead. And with the age of this, even if it would turn on, I would maybe get 15 bucks for it, so I'll call this one dead. All the other ones though seem to be able to turn on perfectly, so let's see. I'll need to remove my gloves to see this. There was this iPhone. Is it locked? It is locked. Let's see if I'm lucky. No. Oh, it's in French too, great. Okay, so this one is locked. That's probably why there's an X on it. That's something I can deal with. How about this one? There's an X on this one, but it's turning on. Let's see. Okay, so this one seems like I can probably make it work with iTunes. I don't want to link this to my Wi-Fi because apparently Apple bricks these iPhones when it connects into Wi-Fi, but it seems to be working, so this one goes in a good pile. This one just works. It's not even locked or anything, this one is just working.